If you want to know about all history of Genghis Khan, so please watch completely video. Genghis Khan, born as Temujin in the harsh and unforgiving steppes of Mongolia in 1162, rose from obscurity to forge one of the largest empires the world has ever seen. His life was a saga of resilience, cunning, and an unyielding quest for power, marked by extraordinary leadership and a vision that reshaped the course of history. As a child, Temujin's early life was fraught with adversity. His father, a tribal chieftain, was poisoned by rival Tatars, leaving young Temujin and his family vulnerable. Cast out and left to fend for themselves, Temujin's family endured severe hardship. These trials, however, only hardened his resolve. He grew up learning the ways of the steppes, mastering survival, and honing his skills as a warrior and a leader. Temujin's ascent began with a series of strategic alliances and conquests. He united the fractious Mongol tribes through a combination of diplomacy, shrewd marriage alliances, and, when necessary, ruthless military campaigns. His charisma and ability to inspire loyalty were unparalleled. The Mongols, once a disparate collection of warring tribes, were transformed into a formidable and disciplined fighting force under his leadership. In 1206, after years of warfare and consolidation, Temujin was proclaimed Genghis Khan, the universal ruler, by the Kurultai, a council of Mongol chiefs. This marked the beginning of his monumental campaigns beyond Mongolia's borders. Genghis Khan's armies moved with unprecedented speed and efficiency, employing innovative tactics that would leave a lasting impact on military strategy. One of his most significant conquests was the Khwarezmian Empire. Genghis Khan sought to establish trade relations with the empire, but the Khwarezmian Shah's betrayal and execution of Mongol envoys incited his wrath. In a campaign marked by relentless ferocity, Genghis Khan's forces obliterated the Khwarezmian cities, demonstrating his capability to both punish and conquer. Genghis Khan's empire expanded westward into the Middle East, northward into Siberia, and eastward into China. His legacy was not only one of conquest, but also of innovation. He implemented a meritocratic system within his military ranks, promoted religious tolerance, and established a code of laws known as the Yasa, which helped to maintain order across his vast empire. Genghis Khan's death in 1227 did not spell the end of the Mongol Empire. His successors continued his legacy, expanding the empire further to create the largest contiguous land empire in history. His innovative governance, emphasis on merit, and effective communication systems laid the groundwork for the flourishing of trade and cultural exchanges along the Silk Road. Genghis Khan remains a towering figure in history, a testament to the power of resilience, vision, and strategic genius, from the rugged steppes of Mongolia to the far reaches of Eurasia. His legacy endures, a blend of legend and reality that continues to fascinate and inspire.